I'm back just for a really quick video. Just want to show you here my little steak strips that I have cooking in soy sauce. Can't wait. But the real part of this video is with the fusion. So I still have the plastic protective covering on there, and I haven't really definitely had it in full sun. It is very, very hot. I put oil around the edge like they had suggested, and I just wanted to put some water in here to kind of clean it before I use it. You know, just not that it's not clean from the get-go. Probably be a lot hotter with the plastic off of the panels, but what I thought is really cool, and you've probably noticed this when you boil water on the kitchen stove top, is before water boils it does this really mesmerizing sort of thing, and I've noticed this before. This is how water behaves when it gets close to boiling. So, not cooking any food in it yet. Like I said, I just wanted to kind of clean it out a little bit, make sure if there's any chemicals in there that I'd get it out of there. So